Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. Today's video, guys, is a video request. Okay, some of you asked in the comment section under our videos, guys, if you have a BMW X5, okay, BMW X5 with a 6-cylinder engine such as N51, N52, N53, N54, N55 engine, guys, pretty much any X1 from year 2006, 7 to year 2015, guys, and you need to, guys, locate where your brake vacuum pump is located, how to get to the pump, and what needs to be done to replace that pump. We'll cover that today, guys. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine that has been used in multiple BMWs. Specifically, this engine is used in 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, X1, 1 Series, guys, one of the most popular engines. We'll demonstrate on 3 Series BMW, but it's exactly the same for X5. We just want to answer your request, guys. We have a little bit of time here to make a few videos for any of you having a problem with that. So now, before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make, guys, at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we even make close to 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing that free information. If you guys need to buy any of the special tools, parts, new pump, check out the links. We will share them for your convenience. So, specifically now, guys, okay, we have a BMW N52 engine here, as I said, on a 3 Series, but it's the same for the X5 as well. Number one step, guys, you will need to disconnect car battery. Then you will need to remove the intake manifold. For any of you that don't know how to do that, both of the videos will be shared, okay, in the description of the video below. So check out the links. It explains everything from start to finish, okay, how to remove, okay, the intake manifold and how to get that thing out of there. Once you guys remove it, one recommended thing, always replace the intake manifold gaskets here, because you can develop a vacuum leak and that could be really hard to diagnose. Your car may not even start correctly, guys. Why you had to disconnect the car battery? Because this is, guys, your starter, and that's a positive wire coming from the battery and one goes to the alternator. Now if you touch them accidentally with tools or something, you can damage your electrical system, fuses, relays, modules, computers. We've done that in the past, so don't do it, guys. Very important which battery terminal you will disconnect first, positive or negative. That's why we put the video in the description of the video below, guys. So this thing on the back side of your 6-cylinder engine, this is your vacuum pump right here. Check it out. Vacuum pump, guys, right there. Now, most of the models will have that one. Some may have even electrical pumps, but not all of them. Most of them will have a mechanical pump that is actually driven by the timing chain. Okay, let me show you something quick here now. Now, 1 second to unlock the phone and show you the picture. This is the timing chain diagram for that engine. This is the main chain, secondary chain. On that secondary chain, guys, okay, this pulley is the one for the brake vacuum pump. Now, you have 3 little bolts and 1 big bolt in the middle. There is a special tool that you access from the front. Okay, you have to remove the belt and the idler tensioner pulley. Remove the tensioner assembly and you get to that, okay, to that cover there for the pump. And there is a special tool that actually locks the pulley and the chain so it cannot spin and get the engine out of balance and mess up the timing. And then you can remove the 4 bolts and that pump will come out towards the back and you have 1 gasket there as well. But before you do all that, always check the hoses, okay, for any cracks. Like this one, this is a weak spot here. Why? Because all the heat from the engine accumulates here, guys, and that becomes very fragile, guys. Always inspect your brake line for leaks as well, because that's a weak spot as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you, okay, having that problem and you're trying to figure out where the pump is and what needs to be done to replace it. If you want to see the replacement video, it's coming very soon on our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.